beautiful lizard. We are on. Feels like a dewy. Got a flatty on. He's better than the first two I caught this morning, unless it's just foul hooked. I didn't even worry about putting those first two flatties on. They were just too small. It's getting a bit breezy out here now. Decent head shakes on this one. I don't think it's too bad of a size. The wind's already getting up, of course, as per every trip of mine. But this fish doesn't feel too bad. Haven't seen it yet, but it feels okay. What do we got? Oh, beautiful flathead. Absolute ripping flatty. Guide him back into the net. There you go. Oh, there we go. As you can see, wind's already howling, so good to get a fish on the board of some sort of quality before it gets up too much. Anyway, let's release this girl back into the water and hopefully we can get some more fish. I'm about to release this flatty back into the water and the squid rod's gone off. Beautiful stuff. Rightio, so just getting some photos of that flatty and the squid rod went off. Real little one, this one. Won't worry about keeping that. Get rid of him. But they are about. So that's something. Not as big as the last fish. But a nice flatty nonetheless. Take them out of there. In you go. Well, picked up a couple of flatties this morning so far. It's turning out to be okay. Definitely windy, but that's the only problem. It's howling from the south already. What's that? Yeah, fish. There we go. Definitely feels like a fouled up flathead. Had the head shakes going on a bit early. Now there's not much action in the rod tip. Just wait. Yeah, pretty much exactly what it is. Just a fouled up little lizard. It's like fully wrapped himself up just under the gills there. We'll unhook him, get him back in. Didn't have to worry about unhooking this little fella. Unhooked himself in the net. We'll get him back in. Hopefully catch something bigger. Thanks, champion. You have a good Christmas. Right out, time to make a move. I want to go and catch some squid in case I want some for later for lunch. I only need a couple. So I'll just go back out, similar place to I was last week. Cast the vibe out, drop the jig down and just do a few drifts, see how we go. Fingers crossed, eh? Oh, there we go. squid are just down there. So I've got them to come up, these squid. I got one on. I've got the Trans Am down there now as well. Oh yeah, we have a squid on. Look at that, absolute cracking squid. Yeah guys, absolute ripper. There's another one down there as well, so I'll get this one off. We'll get that other one if he's still there. He might have took off. Oh, there he is. Oh. He got it. He was playing hard to get, but we've got him. There guys, number 2 in quick succession. Another mad looking squid. Ah, beast. Now, in you get there. I've got the jig floating out the back, just on a low angle so I don't hit it with this rod. So I was probably sitting a metre and a half off the bottom. And then I cast the vibe out back past it, just fishing for fish. But if a squid gets on it, you can slowly work the vibe back towards that jig. And hopefully they'll leave the vibe alone and go to that squid jig like they did last time. Squid. Didn't take long hopping the squid jig to get one. I put the vibe down. First go hopping, straight onto a squid. Oh, there's one little squid just here. Another little tiny one. We'll get him off. Trying to get bigger ones than that. But you can see how many squid there are. I think we've already got, that's 4 or 5 already. Squid. Yep. Squid on the vibe again. See if he hangs onto it. Yeah, not a bad squid either. Going ape. Get it all out, mate. Get it all out. Oh, there's another one on the actual squid rod hanging down there too. So that's in there. Nice squid. Man, he hit hard. Yeah, little sandbank predator. Have a go at the size of the lure I got him on. Absolutely massive. I think it's like 180 mil. He's had a fair crack at it anyway. Alright mate, we'll get you back in the water. That's an unreal looking flathead. probably a definite tailor. What the hell? I think that's the smallest tailor I've ever caught in the lake. Absolute snack size, that guy. Too bad you can't use him as a livey. I think it could be just a little schoolie, I think. That'd be nice. What do we got? Oh no, is it a flatty? Yeah, it's a good flatty. Actually, that's probably even better. Look at that. Jeez, he's munched that Trans Am down. In there. Good length to it, nice and healthy too. Yeah, absolute cracking flathead. Right, let's get this big girl back in the water. Get her to swim off and go again. There's plenty of bait fish around at the moment. So we might be able to pick something else up. You're kicking already, eh? Yep, off you go. Gotta love the slow swim off. Squire or a brim, it's one of the two. It's not a chopper. Yeah, it's a squire. Look at the blue fins shining. Absolute cracking little pinky there. One of my favourite fish to catch in here. They just look awesome. Me ready to go if there's a couple. Can't see this one yet, he's kind of behind me. Any with ya? He's just alone of this guy. He's not a bad squid, but yeah, he's a good size. I'd say he'll be coming home for coming home for a snack tonight. Is that how you feel about it, is it, mate? I don't think he's keen. Yeah, absolute cracking arrow squid there on the Trans Am. They love the vibes. There's a fish. There's a bite. Feels like a dewy. That's for sure. Phew! Oh. We've been grinding hard all day. I've finally hooked onto one. Oh. Not that we've really put much effort into chasing them, we've just fished really. Just threw lures here, there and everywhere. It's only a plastic, so hopefully can keep the hook in him. I'm a lot more confident with vibes for the fish not to throw the hook. But we'll see how we go. Put in a lot of casts today. Doesn't feel like an overly big dewy, but feels okay. There it is, that nice shiny silver. Come on mate, up you come. Come and say hello. Come and say hello for Christmas. In he goes. Yeah guys, happy with that. Nice little schoolie. Good fun on the light gear. Better than catching nothing, that's for sure. We've got a couple of decent flatty now, a little dewy, a couple of squid, a little squire. Been a sick day. Right, let's get this one back in the water. Merry Christmas. Rightio guys, that wraps it up for today. Hope you all have a good Christmas. This is the start of the holidays today, Saturday. So hopefully a few more videos to come. But anyway, if you guys get out over the holidays, tight lines, I might see you out in the water. Come and say good day. If you like the channel, remember to subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. I'll see you guys next time on the water. Have a good Christmas.